Good morning, everyone. This is Professor Wada, and welcome to Radical Academy. In this video, I would just like to introduce to you one of the new subjects that we are adding to our online platform, that is both YouTube as well as also Facebook. So this is a great announcement that we have to make to you, because we feel as Radical Academy that there is need for our student actually to have access to this kind of content, which is business content, and particularly and much specifically, we are talking about principles of accounts. So therefore, I would like to say that we are pleased to announce to you that today and onward, we'll be able to actually post some of the new contents about a business subject or business courses. And this is principles of account. We know that most of our students, of course, those that are in grade 10, 11, and 12, some of them might have actually faced some difficulties or challenges in understanding what principles of account is all about. So in this video, I would like just to introduce you to part 1 and just go through some of the things that will be contained in part 1 of our lessons. Okay, so this is not an exact lesson, but it's going to be more of the walkthrough of what you should actually expect in part 1 of our principles of accounting or business accounting. So for those who have not actually subscribed to our channel, please support us by subscribing to our channel. If you're watching us on Facebook, please ensure that you also follow us on Facebook. Okay. So this part 1 is going to be about introduction. So it will be introduction to our double entry bookkeeping. Okay. So part 1 has this big heading, or the title of part 1 will be about introduction to double entry and also bookkeeping. So what are some of these actual content that we'll be looking at? So we'll be looking at number 1, we'll be looking at accounting equation. Okay. We're looking at accounting equation and also balance sheet. So accounting equation and balance sheet. And then number 2, we'll be looking at double entry. Okay. Double entry for system for assets, liability, as well as capital. Okay. So we'll be looking at a double entry system for assets, liabilities, and capital. And then content number 3 is going to be the asset of stock. Okay, we all understand that the asset of stock is something that is very cardinal, okay, that you have to be able to understand, because when you just get deeper and understand what stock is all about, stock are goods that you as the owner of the business may be selling, or anything that can be sold. That is what we call stock. So that's what we'll be talking about. Okay, so we have to understand when does stock decrease, when does also stock increase. Okay, and we also look at content number 4. We'll be looking at the effects. Okay, the effects of capital. The effect of be looking at effect of profit or loss, okay, on capital. Effect of profit or loss on capital, and also the double entry system. Double entry system. Double entry system for expenses as well as revenues. Okay, so that's gonna actually be our content number 4, which is actually gonna be effects, the effect of profit or loss on capital, and the double entry system for expenses and expenses as well as revenues. And then also we shall come to content number 5. We are going to be discussing how you can be balancing off accounts. Okay, balancing off accounts. And then the last part of our part 1 will be the trial balance. Okay, trial balance. So look at trial balance. That will be the last content of our part 1. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and also stay up to date, because we'll be actually each and every single time we'll be able to be posting on our platform our new subject or our new course that we are going to add very soon. And take time to ensure that you learn from us because we are able to just help you understand these contents. Okay, so thank you so much. That is just an overview of what part 1, the content of part 1 is going to actually look like or be like. Okay, so thanks so much for everyone who have actually, sacrificed the time just to go through our updates. So thank you so much.